Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here. I'm just going to draw this cute little Maine Coon kitty. Kind of looks like an ant to start with, hey? Got this at 2.5 times the speed. So I don't usually draw this fast, I'm just voicing over. But you need to go at your own speed, whatever works for you. Just kind of mapping out the shapes. I love those little crossed over paws. I'm just feeling my way around here. Those little tufts on the side of the face really start to bring out the Maine Coon look, hey? There's just little tweaks you can do. Tiny little things change things a lot sometimes. Sometimes the way you don't want them to change, and then you gotta fix them, right? But it's all a learning process. So now I got some lines in there to help me get the eyes in place. Look at that little mouth appear there. Now is when I kind of tighten up and slow down a bit, because when it comes to facial features, I want them to look a certain way, because that's where I really aim for expression. Well, everywhere throughout the drawing. Just changing the slightest little change in a line can really change the expression. Yeah, see, I really compare the eyes to make sure they go together. But I don't aim at making them look exactly the same. But they need to look like they're on the same level. To some degree, a little bit of wonkiness adds character too, as long as it looks convincing. And it's all got to do with your own personal style too. So it's really about finding who you are. It's like your signature. Yeah, no, that didn't work. That's a little better. Just want little hints of tufty hair here and there to get that Maine Coon kitten look. And the tabby markings are so awesome for adding expression. I add them minimally. Less is more. Hint of tabby marks. I don't want to let the tabby marks overtake the expression of the kitten. I just want them to enhance it somewhat, just to give the hint that that is a tabby. That was way too much there. Okay, now it's even faster now. We're going 5 times the speed here. We'll finish up this drawing. Just really strengthening up the lines I like and tweaking them a bit to add to the expression of the drawing. It's coming along. Whiskers. Kind of mucked up on that second set of whiskers because they kind of need to be curved a certain way so they look like they're hitting the floor where the cat's lying on. Fix them up. We'll make some new ones in a sec here. There we go. That looks better. Thank you so much for watching. Drop me a comment. We'll see you next time.